Good morning, everybody. My name is Mirza Shabbir, and I attend the Bronx Academy of Health Careers. And like Shimmy said, I interned in City College with my mentor being Dr. Gasser.
My name is Darren Alphonse. I attend Richmond High School.
The title of our presentation is Bringing Imagination to Life. Well, basically we'll be talking to you about two computer programs that, if you know how to use them, you can basically bring anything that you thought you couldn't really make by yourself to life in the computer. Alright, what is Padre? Padre is a computer program that allows you to generate three-dimensional images on your computer. It's basically like an endless void of space that you can do basically whatever you like with. The entire space is basically a big grid, like how you use in math class with X and Y axis. This is basically the same thing, but with the Z axis added. The X axis, you know, is from left to right. The Y axis is up and down, and the Z axis is like going in and out, like going back and forth. Alright. How to use it. First, you need to set a camera so you can look at things at a specific point. For example, like you can set the camera on coordinate 352 and you have to tell it where to look, like at coordinate 375. You don't have to copy the example. And also you need to have a light source so that it doesn't all appear dark. And if you want, you can put a plane as the floor or a background to any color scheme that you want or any pattern that you feel like. And then after that, you basically go wild. Are people done? Alright. This is my model of the Quay Tower. Sorry about the picture because this is not really a thing from the program. I made this, but my professor had printed it out. So this is just a scanned picture of the picture that my professor printed out. But this is the Quay Towers. As you can see here, these are basically three big cones. You have to set the coordinates at the floor for where it begins, and at the very tip top where it's gonna end, right there. Make three of those, and then these spheres, right? You have to set the coordinates for the spheres. These you just put one coordinate, but to see how much space it has, you need to also set how much of a radius you want it to have. Because all three of them are different, and this one right here is a really thin cylinder around this, and these gray tips are just basically different cones on the very top. And this is another one that I made. This one, a simple background, just blue. But the plane, you need a special command called wave. So when you put in the color pigment, instead of that, you just put wave. And you have to put 3 shades of colors, because you can see right here, 1, 2, and 3 shades of color right here. The microscope right here is just all made out of cones, just one cone, spheres, and cylinders. Those are basically the 3 things that you use for Padre. This shelf, all boxes, and these test tubes with the samples in it. And I'm gonna turn it over to my partner.
I'm talking about another computer program known as PostScript. PostScript is not 3D like Padre, it's 2-dimensional. So it's like it's flat. The paper and the grids are like an XY axis instead of having the Z. You control the X going left and right and the Y axis going up and down. It's real simple in the Padre. The way you use this program is you have to use like formulas and commands known as like move to and line to. If you don't add these while using the program, it won't come up. It will say error or something like that. Once you make them, you can make figures, designs, multiple pictures, whatever you want. Here's an image of PostScript. It's flat, not 3D. It's a triangle. Here's another one, just lines and stuff. Conclusion. Powering PostScript are two programs that can help a person creatively express themselves. It's good if you want to have a project. It's good to do what you want for it at home. These are things not commonly known as people in an age group. It's for any age group. It's fun. I was fortunate enough to learn about it. I'm a programmer.
We'd like to acknowledge the computer science department with its director, Dr. Yao, and his staff. The science division with director, Dr. Lee, and his staff. We'd like to thank Dr. Sapp, Dr. Gosser, Dr. Brass, HCS, City College, our fellow classmates, and everyone here. Any questions? Actually, yeah, because using these programs, you can
if you want to see like a gene, for example, like you could express it differently. It's like art, basically. Science having another field. Instead of researching things, you create this program to create like cells, other pigments and stuff like that. So it's useful. Any other questions?